This is mod 3 for the seated spinal twist. Starting in neutral position, legs extended in front of you. Grab for that right knee, bend the right knee, pick up the right foot and place it on the outside of that left leg. Dorsal flexion of that left foot. Start with a nice long spine. So grab onto the shin, extend the spine. Imagine a string lifting your chest up towards the ceiling. Start here. From here, you're gonna hook your left elbow around your right knee, reach your right fingertips behind your right shoulder. Take a breath, breathe in. The breath is gonna move you. And now as you exhale, squeeze your lower belly in and feel how the core action moves the upper body. Find your breath. Take an inhale. Exhale, squeeze the belly in and feel the breath move the body. Take one more breath. To come out, a lot of awareness. Don't spring out of the posture. Look forward first. Safely return to neutral, unwind your spine. Take a breath. Big inhale, release, exhale, and make sure you do the second side.